Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Domino 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to the Domino 7 show live location at my crib. Okay. So this episode is called A Bus Ride Before the Route Changes. Okay. Day one. Okay. Yep. It's gonna be an okay day so far. But I don't know if I'll be able to interview any passengers and stuff like that. Okay. I wish I could interview some passengers. So I'm gonna do these these episodes today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay. All right. It's gonna be a 3-day thing. Okay. And I know everybody is extremely upset about these changes. At least they ride for free. But what I don't like is the changes that don't make no sense. It's kind of stupid. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a Facebook Live on Marabou Avenue. Okay, so I hope y'all gonna watch that when I upload it to YouTube. Okay. I don't know when I'm uploading that to YouTube. Okay. All right, so I'm about to go out. I'm about to get on the Galvez bus. Okay, right about now. Okay, so check me out on Galvez. All right. What's up, y'all? Domino here. All right, I'm on the Galvez bus, like I said. So as far as I know, everybody's upset about these route changes. I'm out of breath because I have to run and catch the bus. All right, I gotta catch my breath, y'all. All right. All right. Well, the good news, ladies and gentlemen, they're not going to touch the Galvez route. But a lot of people, I know y'all heard that, but so what? So anyway, y'all, I know so many people is upset about these route changes, including me.
When listening to music.
Listen to that. I don't know if y'all heard that. So I'm on the 84 Galvez and stuff like that. So we
Do not eat on the vehicle.
alright. So the reality thing about it, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people is upset about these route changes. So I don't even know if anybody want to be interviewed. I doubt anybody will want to be interviewed though. Okay, so the good news is it ain't gonna be changed to the 84. So. Yeah, but I must say, what about the people that have to walk further down and catch the bus? When the buses don't pass no more, it ain't gonna be there. They say it's gonna be like that for the whole day. After this, I hope they change things back the way it's supposed to. The people probably.
Your bus routes
Listen to this.
are changing, and RTA was here to be ready. You told RTA you needed to get to work, school, healthcare, and make groceries quicker and on time. And they heard you. Get ready for better bus services with new routes coming September 25th. Go to norda.com to learn more.
I know y'all heard that. Okay, so they say better routes. I would say worse routes. I hope these people agree with me on this one because I'm doing the show in case you wonder. Because everybody upset about these route changes, including me. Talking to a fellow passenger, he don't want to be interviewed, because nobody don't want to be on the show, So in case y'all heard that announcement, I hope y'all observed that announcement. So, well,
after this, I'm gonna be on the St. Claude bus. So St. Claude or the 86 or St. Maurice bus. So I'll see y'all then. Okay. All right. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? All right. I'm on the 86 St. Maurice Araby in a lower night one, going towards the yeah, it looks nice around here, ain't y'all? But the bus about to go on the station, so I'm gonna go to I'm gonna get on the St. Claude right there, you know. All right. So St. Claude Church, huh? Yep. Technically, it's my first time in this area ever, you know. So I'm just riding just for the hell of it, you know. I've been supposed to do this episode, you know, but I'm doing it, you know. Martin Luther King Middle School, huh? Well, sorry to say, but I want to live back here, honestly. You know?
All activities are monitored by video camera.
I know y'all heard that. Well, all right. I'm gonna get on the 88, the St. Claude, so I'll see y'all there. All right, y'all. Welcome back. I'm on the 88. You know. Yeah. So a bus ride before the route changes. Okay. So I'm on the 88 bus. You know. So it's gonna be very inconvenient for the locals out here. You know. So. Yeah, but they ain't gonna do nothing to the St. Claude route, you know. All right. Let's take a ride. Let's see how it goes. All right. So on the 88 St. Claude. Yep. Enjoying the ride so far, you know. So let's look out here, look out the window, see how's everything going, and stuff like that, you know. So, and this bus stop right here is closing too. I'm just saying it's gonna be very inconvenient for the passengers, you know. Very inconvenient. Yep. Thought it wasn't going to affect me, but it's going to definitely affect me, you know. So, yeah, though, you know. But it's going to affect my people too, because I got family members that catches the bus too, you know. All right. So I don't know what bus I'm going to catch after this. So I guess, as a matter of fact, I'll be on the 51. Okay. I'll see y'all later. Alright, y'all. Welcome back to the Dominoes 7 show live on the 52. I know I said I was gonna be on the 51, but the 51 haven't came. So the 52 is here, okay? Saving Paris Avenue. So I don't think that they're gonna get rid of this run as far as I know, but they're gonna switch that too, you know? So a lot of people is very appalled about this, ladies and gentlemen. But I don't think the passengers won't want to be interviewed at all. So I'm not going to speak to them unless they want to be interviewed, you know? Okay, so y'all notice I'm on one of the old buses, as y'all know, okay? I'll probably go stop at the donut shop and give me a piece of donut or whatever, you know? Okay? So all I want to know is how many of y'all people is upset about the route changes. If you're not in New Orleans, then y'all should see our pain.
Hey New Orleans, your bus routes are changing, and RTA wants you to be ready. You told RTA you needed to get to work, school, healthcare, and make groceries quicker and on time. and they heard you. Get ready for better bus services with new routes coming September 25th. Go to Norda.com to learn more.
Better bus routes. Don't she mean worse routes? It's gonna be hell. It's gonna be inconvenient.
Please hold on for your safety.
Yeah, it's gonna be hell out here, you know. So you know what? There's no way I have to get used to this crap, you know. Right? So hopefully y'all see me on the 51 on the next segment. Okay. So tune into the next segment. Okay. All right. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Dominoes. Oh, y'all heard that. All right, welcome back to the show. All right, here I'm on the 51 St. Bernard, St. Anthony, as I said I was gonna be, you know. But some of these route changes I ain't gonna like, you know. It's gonna affect some people, but not everybody. It says it's gonna be better. I doubt it, you know. Okay. It's gonna affect my family member though, because she catches the bus, you know. Well, when I come up with some ideas, I hope that they'll listen to me, you know. Okay. All right. So, well, we'll see how that's gonna go, you know. All right. So, I mean, I have a problem with them taking it away my feet. You know, that's a supervisor though, so I'm not gonna put him on the show. I ain't gonna ask him no questions or whatever, you know. I don't want to get him fired, you know. So like I said, y'all, I mean,
Introducing RTA's transit app, LaPass. Use LaPass to plan your trip, pay, and track your ride in real time. LaPass replaces Go Mobile on August 29th. Go to your phone's app store and download LaPass today. If you still have questions, call our ride line at 504-248-3900 or go to Norda.com/LaPass.
As a matter of fact, this is gonna be my last segment of the show for the day. Okay, so thank y'all for watching. I'll be at the studio with the final thought.
All right, y'all, I'm back at home. Now time for the final thought, okay? So you know what, y'all? Taking away some of them routes and changing it where some people can't go and some people have to catch extra buses is totally unacceptable, okay? And this man told me it'll be better routes. I beg to differ. It's going to affect a lot of people, including me. I don't like the St. Bernard bus going down South Claiborne. Stupidest thing I've ever heard. The most stupidest thing I've ever heard in my life. You know what I'm saying? I mean, how the hell that's gonna help people? That's all I want to know. Okay, come up with some insane ideas like that. You know. All right, so I mean, to me, these routes is totally ridiculous. Very extremely ridiculous, honestly. Okay. I don't like it at all. I hate it. Okay. I mean, for you RT officials that's watching me right now, I'm begging y'all, don't do this. It's going to affect a lot of people, especially the 60 Hain bus, the number 60. You know what? That bus is what I need. Okay. So when I go to my uncle's house, he live on Marquise, and that's close to Hain. You know, it's extremely close to Hain. But why the hell y'all want to take that away? Cause all I could do is either catch the St. Bernard to Hain, or the Canal Streetcar to Hain. Okay, you know, I'm like, everything was fine until y'all messed this up. You know, y'all want to mess this up and make it inconvenient. Better bus routes. It ain't gonna be better. I guarantee y'all, it'll be worse. You know, and you know what? I mean, I thought it was a good idea for the buses to stop going down to the French Quarter. I thought that, you know, But somebody say they got residents that stay back there that depends on the bus and stuff like that, you know. So I don't know, y'all. I mean, it's ridiculous, ladies and gentlemen. It's totally ridiculous, to be honest with y'all. Okay, hate to spill the porridge. You know, I really hate to spill the porridge, but it's ridiculous. You know, these bus routes changes is totally ridiculous. You know, I mean, I'm not saying it for myself. I'm saying it for a lot of people out there. You know, that there's a lot of people that depend on the buses. Okay, especially people that work downtown New Orleans, like in them office buildings and stuff like that. When they can't pay for parking, you know, like the accountants, you know, the mail people or whatever, you know, especially people that works at Walmart, you know, because some on the Haynes bus, you know, that could bring them close to Walmart, you know, and not only that, you know, the Jackson Esplanade, you know, that's convenient from the cemetery all the way to there, you know, and taking away the Chapatulas bus is a bad idea. You know, it's a terrible idea, especially those people that got to go shop at that Winn-Dixie right there. You know, people that depends on the bus, especially the workers. You know, and the magazine that don't go all the way to Canal, another terrible idea. Taking away the South Claiborne, another terrible idea. Huh. The St. Bernard Claiborne, stupid route. I'm sorry to say. You know, so I like it better going down St. Bernard, making a right on Mirabeau, making a left on St. Anthony and stuff like that, you know. I'm like, why change that and make it hard for people? Why? That's stupid. But the Leanders Gentili will probably be better. It depends on where it goes. If it goes to Carrollton area, I'm talking about Carrollton Avenue, like between South Claiborne and Tulane. I'm saying, you know, that's what I mean. Okay, because there's some people in those areas that be needing a bus too. You know, but I'm gonna ride the 31 to see how it's gonna go. Yep. All right, so that's all I'm gonna say for today. I'm gonna do an episode tomorrow. Okay. All right. Dominoes reminding y'all, help control the pet population. Have your pets spayed and neutered. Thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 show. All right. Bye bye.